In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own website with Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a starter site up and ready to customize, even if this is your very first time using Squarespace. Begin on your Squarespace dashboard and click Create Website. This opens a guided setup that speeds things along. You'll first be asked to choose a topic for your site. This simply helps Squarespace recommend designs that fit your needs. For this walkthrough, I'm selecting art as an example, but pick the category that best matches your project, portfolio, blog, store, or anything else, then continue by clicking Next. Next, you'll see a question about what you want to do with your website. Choose the goals that apply. I'll select Promote a physical business and sell products to show how Squarespace can support both showcasing your brand and running an online store. Don't stress too much here. These choices just tailor suggestions and can be changed later. Click. Next to move on. Now it's time to choose a template. Click. Choose a template to browse professionally designed options. You can open live demos to see the layout, page structure, and styling in action. Focus on the overall look and feel, typography, spacing, and how the home page is organized, since you can swap images and text easily after. When you've found a favorite, select it. Click Start with this design. Squarespace will create your site using that template, including sample pages and content to help you visualize your own. This may take a moment as everything loads, so hang tight. When the site is ready, click Edit Site to enter the builder. Then click Edit to turn on editing mode for the page you're viewing. You'll now be able to work directly on the template. Click any text to rewrite headlines and paragraphs. Select images to replace them with your own uploads, and adjust image focal points for the best crop. Use the on-page controls to add or remove sections. Drag content blocks like galleries, buttons, and forms, and reorganize content until the layout supports your message. Open the site styles to adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and button styles globally, so your brand feels consistent across pages. If you plan to sell products, visit your product pages from the navigation and update titles, descriptions, prices, and images. Preview on mobile within the editor to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. As you make changes, review your pages and save your work. That's it. You've created your website, selected a purpose-built template, and started customizing it to fit your brand. Keep refining your pages, and when you're happy, you're ready to share your new Squarespace site with the world.